Today's March 20th, the official day of the first day of spring. Happy spring, everyone.
Happy spring.
And today, we got things to do. A lot of things to do. Grand Rising, my beautiful people. Today is March the 20th. It's the first day of spring. And it's a bit chilly, and it has been very chilly the past few days here in North Florida. But we have some beautiful, beautiful babies coming along. As you can see, these are yard-long Armenian cucumbers. Each one of these Dollar Tree clothes baskets or laundry baskets has got blue potatoes in them. The back 3 tires here all have spaghetti squash. And these 3 here are the cucumbers. And in the back, we have some tomatoes. I can't tell you what they are because I forgot, but I think they're cherrylicious. But we'll figure that out when they begin to fruit. And here is cucamelons. I've never grown them before. I have no idea. I don't even know what they taste like, but they looked really cool. So I seen them on the M.I. Gardener channel, and I got me some. And I thought, I want to grow these and see what they're like. We've had to do some serious cleaning up through here, where we had plastic bottles and different things laying here to be able to keep everything alive during the cold. But everything seems to be flourishing really well. LJ is cleaning up the weeds a little bit so they don't take over our luscious garden. A storm came through a couple nights ago, and we've been picking up limbs and all kinds of stuff, sticks everywhere in the yard. So this is a beautiful little setup that my 64-year-old mother did. She's amazing. These are the raised beds that her and LJ done together. These are food scraps. We're going to be taking our food scraps and placing them here in each one. So I don't know if you could see this. This room is kind of dark. But this is a 5-gallon bucket completely full of table scraps. And we're going to take this and divide it between the 2 beds out there. This is our chives, and I think they really do need a haircut, and I might do that today as well. We got our beautiful marigolds. Some of them did not make the cold. Over here some who did. These guys are doing very well. This is our little birdhouse that Nana made from the scraps, from the wood, from the beds. It's cute. And this is our backyard, and we're planning on growing as much produce that we can throughout this season. These are going to be root vegetables, I do believe, in here. Turnips and radish and onions. So, what you got? A flower?
Found it on the ground.
A flower. You cut it down and give me a flower. How beautiful. But this is just one spot that we're starting. We got a lot of cleanup to do. Not here per se, but we've got stuff laying everywhere that we need to get up. As you can tell, we have some cleaning up to do. But with it being the first day of spring, let me get on it with LJ, because he's working by himself and I'm sure he would love my help, especially when it comes to moving everything. This is our miniature greenhouse, and I've got to water these guys. They're looking a little peckish, and put them out in the sun this morning. We've got our other varieties of the tomatoes and peppers, and these right here are hammy melon. It was really good. We had actually gotten it, we went to a like a food bank or a food rescue, and they had a hemi melon in it. I really didn't even know what it was until I looked it up, and I thought, well, that was really good, we will try and grow it. So I put like 5 or 6 seeds, no, it was 6 seeds, and ended up 5 out of the 6 did sprout. So we're going to try those as well. But these guys needs watered and put in the sun, and I'm going to do that too.